working. Today also it should not or should work, but let's go to our local host. So it is 4000. Yep. Yeah. So now if I go to a blog, so click on title and click on delete. If I go to my console, it says deleted. And is it actually getting deleted? Nope. So instead of doing this like over here, we'll say is dot then response dot json. So it will send a JSON file for us. And then over here, what we'll say is redirect, and then inside that we will pass in blocks. So why can't I say redirect? Yeah, I need to say inside parameters. Now hopefully this works. So if I click on this guy now, okay, it still goes to a deleted part. Okay, yeah, we need to work upon this. So method delete. Okay, so once we are going to the delete part, then we are supposed to say rest.json. All right, so we need to do multiple things. So put and enter, one more enter over here, and then we can just say response.json, and then we can say window. Inside JSON also we need to do this and then pass in this. So we'll now say window dot location dot href equals to data dot redirect. So now hopefully this works. So yep, I'm crossing my fingers for one final time right now. Uncode promise. Okay, I guess I can solve this problem as well. Chalo, so let's say dot then again, and then we will say data. Yeah, so we have now a response.json, and yes, from now over here, since this is being passed in, so now this is a callback. So this the second dot then is a callback for this guy. So this will response.json will pass in the data over here. Now we can access this data. Okay, so hopefully now this should work 100%. So we can say window dot location dot href equals to data dot redirect. No, not like this, redirect. Okay, so now let's just refresh this page and click on delete. Okay, not do this, so let's just console log data for us and refresh this part and show over here. Okay, okay, data is being returned. Okay, so should not do this as well. So now let's refresh it again. Are you serious? Hmm. Now that's a problem. Data dot redirect. So now once we refresh this, still we have a problem. Chalo, so there is some problem. So what is the mistake that I have done? Let's just copy this. Redirect will be our blog. So let's go refresh and click on delete. Why are we getting a syntax error? Yeah, it should not happen. So all right, all right. So are we getting some error over here? Let's just console log our uh, console log request dot params dot id. Hopefully this works now. Yeah, and once we click over here, hmm, well, apparently we are not coming over here at all. So what mistake can I be doing right now? Chalo, so that is something interesting to see. Uh, yep, we need to say slash blocks. So that one thing over here was disturbing us. Yeah, you see now we are getting the slash blocks. Okay, so now we can say over here window dot location dot path name equals to data dot redirect. So now if I hopefully refresh it and delete over here, yes, we are getting redirected to our page. Uh, okay, we still have a problem. Cannot read property title of null. Okay, chalo. All right. Now where are we getting this problem again? So let's just cancel this, refresh it. Yeah, what is the problem with you? Yeah, title of null. So cancel this. Let's go to the home page. Then we go over here and then click on delete. Yeah, it is working now. ठीक है चलो. So apparently there was some problem with our blog. So now click on new blog. Then we'll say a working blog. All right. So and over here we'll say working snippet, and then we'll say working body. So now on submitting this, it creates one, and then clicking on working block, it gets over here, and then as soon as we click on delete, it deletes the block. So since there are no blocks to display, it says no block to display. So now we can give a round of clap for ourselves because we created our blog page. Now we have to do the hard stuff, but this is somewhere you all have come to. So this is the basic usage. So we will create the sign up page and all that later on. But right now, what I want to do is for the day, let's just ease it because we have done a lot. We have created our blog page. We have created our about page. We even created our new blog as well. So today I want to see what you guys have done until now. So I expect that you are connected to MongoDB as at least because MVC model can get a bit tough. Anyone? Have you guys done anything? Madhu, Pawan?
Sir, I am using phone, sir, so I cannot show
Okay, what about
my
the rest?
laptop is off.
Pawan?
Sir, I didn't connect MongoDB, sir.
Okay, but have
I'm
you
trying.
done that dynamic creation of data or something like that? So at least till that ages part you are there, right? I edited the code for you, I guess.
Sir, I will
Okay,
show you
okay.
tomorrow, sir.
Okay, chalo. What about Teja? Teja, Sunita, Adinath, Sunita, you there? At least say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, okay, Teja will say tomorrow. So, Sunita, what about you? How much have you done?
Sir, I will also show you tomorrow.
Okay, chalo. And what about GitHub? I shared you guys my repo. You have not shared yours till date. Please share yours. Have you created it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about committing to it? Have you committed to it?
Till till EJS
Yes,
part,
sir.
I completed my changes to GitHub, sir.
All right, all right. So, and please don't try not to join from phone, because first of all the screens are small, so looking at them gets tedious. Please don't do that. And the second thing, a far more important thing, is that what do you understand on the phone? I don't get it. I'm doing so much of work. Maybe sometimes two windows are open. At that time, you guys must be zooming in or something like that. Okay, try and join from laptop and all right. So right now we have done our authentication and no, creating our blog and that part. So that is your create, read, and delete done. Update is same as post. Okay, so you can technically go over to your blog controller, and then you see we have this post. You can just copy it down. So let me just press shift, control shift down. No, alt down. Yeah, and then you can say something over here, and then find the blog from here, and then something like that. But I don't want to do it right now. Let's just stick to create, read, and delete. So these three things are important. Updating data. Okay, we'll do updating data now. I will show you a small part of it. Okay. Okay, chalo. So we will say const uh, blog equals to blog dot find by id. Okay, and then we'll just pass in request dot params, so dot id. All right, and we need to pass in a await function over here, because we will be using it asynchronously right now. So we'll say async. Okay, if we have blog, then we'll say do something else. We will say less dot redirect. No, we'll just say less dot send error, and inside that we will just say blog not found. Okay, so this is one thing handled. Now what you want to do is update your blog. So since we will be using insomnia and all that later on as well now, so what we'll do is I will show you how you use that. So first let's just create this route first. Okay, and then we will say, instead of post we will say put. You can use post as well, no problem, but it is a far better way to do put, and then say id. Okay, and then we'll say blog update post, and then let's just save this. Now it will show an error over here. Yeah, don't worry about that. We need to we have not passed in some things. So we'll say blog update post, and then over here we will say update post. All right, yeah, now it works. Okay, so let's go over here. So we'll say so now what you have to do is you have to update the data, right? So it is supposed to be the same now, but chalo, nice thing, I forgot what I should be showing or doing right now. So let me just look up a bit to the routes. Yeah, so I guess user route should do for me right now. So I sign in, register, and then we have our profile log. Yeah. Uh, we need to see if we have a blog. Okay. So now we will say is, I guess, blog dot name. No, we will be using title, right? So we'll say blog request dot body dot title, or if it is not present, so if you want to update some part of the data only, right, not all part of the data, right, so you will say, or you will say blog dot title, so you don't want to change it. Okay, and then let's just put a comma, no, a semicolon. We'll do the same for snippet. So control D, so 3 into productivity, and then we'll say snippet. And then for this guy also we'll say blog dot body. Hello. Then we will say uh, const updated blog equals to uh, blog dot save. Okay, and then over here you can just say rest dot redirect, and then we will just redirect to the blogs page. All right. Chalo. So now, yeah, we'll say if updated blog. Okay, then only you want to redirect, else you want to say uh, we'll just say blog found but update error. Chalo. So now hopefully this works, and you will need a tool known as Insomnia. So let me just show it to you. So I have it installed already, but I request you to install it. So let's just go to Postman. Okay. So there are alternatives to Insomnia. Now whichever you are comfortable with, you can use it. So we have Postman over here. So use Postman if you like it. My favorite one is Insomnia. Now it is great for debugging. Uh, all right, insomnia. Yeah, I remember it is a sleeping disorder as well. Well, as the name goes, insomnia, it does not let you sleep. So uh, it is a far better debugger. All right, so yeah, you can use Postman, and you can also use Insomnia. So any one of them you can use. So I really like Insomnia. Has a great user interface and design. Postman is so okay, but there are things like over here now you have automated testings and all. Insomnia does that for you as well, but it is a rich and nice thing. It also supports GraphQL. I guess Postman also started supporting the same recently, but you can always try any one of them. All right. Chalo. The better part is, I guess, this one is built in React as well. Yeah, you can use it as a CLI now. Yeah, over here, if you see it says this page is using the production build of React. So since I am bit like you can say biased towards React, so I just ignore this guy. All right, so this guy's copied this also. So they are also using React. Chalo. So that is a great thing. Everybody is moving to React. So my preferred tool is Insomnia. I actually have both of them, but this is a virtual machine for you guys to use. All right. So there are nothing many of this. I use Arc Linux by default. So for developing, I use Linux, but since I'm showing you guys as well, so I'm getting used to Windows as well. So thank you everyone. Chalo. So now we have created a route. All right. And now if I go over here, and you see once you open up Insomnia, change the method to get. and you go to your localhost 4000 and just send it, you see it sends you the entire page. Okay, and then it sends you the header as well. So we will say, yeah, we don't want to, we'll just send, and then over here we will say updated blog. Chalo. Now you see if we go to blog routes and then we say put, so the method over here is put. All right, did I start recording again? Oh, sorry. Chalo. So yeah, so once you go to the put part over here and then go to the localhost 4000, and after that I guess we are supposed to say blogs, and then we need an ID, right? So we'll get an ID from here. So there is a small trick. Okay, we need to have a blog to do that. So we'll say this is a insomnia test. All right, and then this is insomnia test, and let's just put in random stuff right now and let's hit enter. Yeah, now it shows that everything. Okay, so we need to get this guy's ID. So what we'll do is we'll go over here and you see we have this at this href part. What I will do is I will just get this guy. Chalo. So now if I say send over here, and then we will say we want to change the title, right? So we'll say title and we'll say insomnia added title. Okay. So now let's just send it. Okay, it says blog not found. Now 60DC8F33E. Chalo. Why is the blog not found? Hmm. Okay, okay. Yeah, we are supposed to say params, not param. Yeah, we are supposed to say param. So sorry for this mistake. All right. So that should restart our server. And now if we send it, yeah, it just sends us an empty JSON file. It should not do that. Uh, so let's just see if our blog has been updated. So if I refresh it, no. If I go to the blog, no. Chalo. Now, why did we get an empty file? It should send us something to work with. So if you send it, yeah. So we are coming over here, right? Console log here. So now that is our first part. And then we will say console log here too. Now from where are we getting this? So console log here 3. And let's just say here error. And over here also we'll say here error 2. Chalo. So now at least we know that it is going somewhere. So it did get till here. Okay, we need to send it. Let's just send a JSON right now. So yeah, it sends an updated blog and it's empty. All right. Uh, well, at least it is updating blog. So now let's just see if our blog has been updated. No, it does not update our blog. So let's just, instead of console logging this guy, let's just console log our blog. All right. So now let's just say send. Okay, so now we have blog.id. Hmm. I will say console log blog again over here. Okay, we are not getting a body from this guy, so some problem. Let's see if we're getting. Are we getting the body request dot body? So let's just see. Okay, we are getting an empty body. That is why this problem is happening. Now you see we have not started working with await, and I have not taught you guys how to get body. So when you were creating this, the browser was handling the body parsing for you. But now what we are going to do is, since we need to work with data here and there, so we have to add in something. So let's just go to our index.js file over here, and then okay, we also did this thing. Okay. Okay, now what is the problem with this? All right. Yeah, why do things happen to me only? So right now, if I are we using proper stuff? Okay, so we are using express.static, and let's just keep it up. Okay, then that way it's better to understand. We are also using our express.url encoded, and I am using it properly as well. We are using Morgan as well. We are not supposed to be using anything else, I guess. So save it. And why are you not sending in anything under the name of body? So why are we getting an empty body right now? So right now we are getting an empty body. All right, we'll handle that. Chalo, so now why do we have this problem? I also don't know. Let's do this, remove this, guys. Yeah. All right, my body is not working for some reason. Chalo. So there were things that we were doing without our body as well. So why is this happening? All right, so we have request.body again. Did we use request.body somewhere else as well? No, right? Hmm. Okay, we'll do this tomorrow. Let's see, I will have to debug the entire code right now. For some reason, we are not getting only request.body, right? We should be getting our this part. Yeah, over here we are getting our request.body properly. Why not over here? Am I doing something wrong? No. We are getting our blog as well properly. Hmm. Let's remove this async over here, and let's just click on send, and let's just do over here. Yeah, no. Await is only valid inside over here, so let's delete this guy as well. Yep. So now let's try this. Blog.save is not a function. Are you getting the body as? But please tell me you're getting the body. Okay, not this as well. All right. Are you getting the body? Are you getting the body? This is the tree, not you. Okay, we are still not getting the body, so I don't think there was some problem with the asynchronous function. Doc.c is still not a function. Why, friend? Starting due to changes. Okay, please connect to a database. Please, 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 please. Net is working properly, then why is it not connecting to database? Yep, we are connected to database now. Chalo, let's send this one more time. No, we are not getting anything. And over here as well. Yeah, body is coming in empty. This should not happen. Why is it happening? So this should be working. Yeah, why this app dot set web engine? Now remember, the order of these guys also affect how your code runs. So let's just move all this to at the very top over here. Don't say that sorry stupid. All right, let's try it again. Why are you not receiving anything like a body? Yeah, header we are getting something. Auth, nope. So let's try doing this from the front end then directly. Now for some reason it is not working. Okay, so yeah, so let's just try it one last time. No, we are not getting any body right now, so that is causing some problems. Okay, okay, let's just end the lecture over here. We will do it tomorrow. I really don't want to sit around and debug. I'm already stressed out from the day. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I will show you how to use Insomnia tomorrow properly. Today it is not working for some reason. And do I have anything?
Okay,
Komal,
sir.
sorry. Komal, you joined? All right. ठीक है चलो, no problem Komal, it happens. I by myself joined the first lecture at 9:40, 7:40. It's okay, chalo. So if you have any doubts, please do text me or you can ask me right now. You have any doubt? No? Okay, then I guess it's a bye then. I will see you guys tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, right? So Thursday, Friday. 2 days more. Then we are actually going at a better and faster pace than the previous one. So they are delayed by 7, 8, 9, 10 days. You guys are early by 1 day. So you guys can take a day off. So, but still, I will be teaching you on Saturday. I'm sorry. Chalo. So let's not take a big break. We'll do something very small. Let's not decide about that today only. We are on Wednesday. So then, bye everybody. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Same here.
Yeah. Well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Chalo. Bye.
Why, sir? We are class examples.